Now we're going to create the first sentences. So we have the articles, we have the nouns, we have the verbs, and we have the adjectives. So now, give a look at the next chart. This puzzle is named "The Cup is Red." To build this first puzzle, you need to put the right article, the right noun, the right verb, and the right adjective. So the example is "The cup is red." What we need to do first is focus on the noun. The noun is gonna guide everything. Is the noun female or male? That's the first question you need to ask yourself. In this case, it's female. La taza. So we have the article already, because if taza is female, the article will be la. Next thing to look at is the verb. The verb is gonna follow the noun and the adjective. Article is rojo, so red, roja. In this case, we need to write roja because the noun is female and singular. So la taza roja. Now we need the verb. In order to choose the right verb between ser and estar, we need to ask ourselves the question, is it always red? Is the cup always red? In this case, the answer is yes, because let's say they create it to be red. So we're gonna say, la taza es roja. How do we make a sentence negative? We just need to add the word no, N-O, before the verb. In this case, like you can see in the example, la taza no es roja, because the verb in this case is es. La taza es roja. La taza no es roja. How do we make question sentences in Spanish? Well, there are 3 ways to make question sentences. For now, and during the whole course, we're just gonna follow this one, which is think of the sentence in present, affirmative or negative, and give it a question intonation. So for example, if the sentence is la taza es roja, we're gonna put a question intonation. La taza es roja, and now it's a question. La taza es roja. If you wanna ask, isn't the cup red? We just say the negative sentence, la taza no es roja, with a question intonation. La taza no es roja. Remember, first identify the noun. Is it female or male? You put the right article. Then you can think about the verb, but focus on the adjective. Is it always like that, or is it possible to change? Remember, things like clean or dirty can change, because something can be clean, something can be dirty, but we can clean it. Something can be hot, but it's gonna get cold, so it's gonna change. Or a color, size, measure, those are permanent things. So we need the verb ser. And the third one is to adapt the adjective if it's a female or male. Remember, if it's female, in case of red, we're gonna say roja. And if it's male, we're gonna say rojo. Good luck with your first homework. So now, in your PDF, you have different sentences that we want you to write in Spanish. This is your first homework in your sentences notebook, and this is the first main lesson that you have completed.